Ever wondered what connects sleep apnea and snoring? While many believe snoring is just a harmless, albeit annoying sleep habit, it can actually be a sign of something more serious. Sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a condition where your breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. One common type, obstructive sleep apnea, occurs when throat muscles intermittently relax and block your airway. This blockage often leads to loud snoring, a key indicator of the condition. However, not everyone who snores has sleep apnea. Distinguishing between simple snoring and sleep apnea is crucial, as untreated sleep apnea can lead to severe health issues like heart disease, stroke, and daytime fatigue. If you or a loved one snores loudly and feels exhausted during the day, it might be time for a medical evaluation. Your health could very well depend on it.